Hi, I'm Augie Gonzalez. I'm Director of Product Marketing for DataCore Software down here in beautiful Fort Lauderdale. And I think we're here to talk about the big problem. And that big problem is what's stopping people from getting to their virtualization plans halfway through, maybe even 20% of the way through. We're hearing it from industry analysts, we're hearing it from our partners, we're hearing it from our customers. Right in the thick of the enthusiasm and everything they got going on in terms of consolidating their servers, in terms of moving those virtual desktops, the physical desktops to virtual environments, they're running into a big storage problem. And that's what DataCore is about. DataCore is about singularly focused on eliminating and solving that big storage problem that's getting in the way of their virtualization initiatives. SANsymphony-V, our brand new product, is addressing this head on. It does it in a couple of different ways. First of all, it goes right after the I/O bottleneck problem. That's the first thing, the insidious part of the big problem is you don't expect it, you're coming off physical environments, you're really happy with the performance of your workloads, all of a sudden you combine all these puppies into one big physical server, a bunch of virtual machines, and it hits you across the head. That's when you realize that you have no way to anticipate what the I/O bandwidth you need out of this thing, what kind of performance you're going to get out of your storage environment, and you need help. The DataCore software, through its adaptive mechanisms for caching, can absorb those workloads from mixed environments and address the performance needs that these heavy hitter loads are placing on the virtual infrastructure. The second part of this problem is a disruptive force that kicks in. You basically are relying on shared storage to pull off all this live migration, all this flexibility, all this dynamic movement of VMs and desktops from one place to the other. Well, guess what? When you place that one device in the middle, the centerpiece of this shared storage, this piece of hardware becomes your single point of failure. Anytime you change that through either firmware updates, you've got to take the thing down, everything goes down. What DataCore does, again, is to create a highly available environment that allows you to make those changes, swap out gear, make those modifications underneath without having any hiccups in the applications, the servers that are running in the virtual machines or the desktops that are being virtualized. Now, the real kicker here is all about money and how much it costs them today to put the centralized storage infrastructure in place. And that's where DataCore has its biggest impact. It has all about to do with taking advantage of equipment that's already in place, part of the physical environment they started with, that they're comfortable with, they've been happy with, repurposing it and retasking it to perform the advanced storage functions that a virtual IT environment needs. And so we take that, take cost out of the equation, make it possible for these folks to move forward with their virtualization plans without spending a bundle of money. In the final analysis, there's one great solution to the big problem, and that's common sense storage virtualization software in the form of SANsymphony-V from DataCore software. Come see it live at datacore.com or check in with one of our solution providers who can scope your particular issues and address it with a great solution. Thank you.